Hello, welcome to Trafalgar Joinery Co. and to our third video of our 3-video series on how to use the cabinet creator platform and how to create your cabinetry project from start to finish, but also how to customize it to your own space. So let's sign into the program. We're going to catch up with our resident designer, Roselle Renovator. And you'll remember on the home page we have our jobs register, and we'll talk a bit more how they progress through from a quoted stage after submission through to a review stage, then on to a production stage. So let's have a look at kitchen design. You may remember it was quite an extensive project to different types of cabinetry. So to refresh everyone's memory, we go to the layout button. You may recall that a couple of tips and tricks we had were, when commencing layout, always start with a filler in the corner. Actually provides a little bit of clearance for door handles. You swing the doors back against walls or other components. So start with those panels as your first item. And if you're creating an island, what we've actually found with the system is if you start with the first item and then click the second item and third item in a row, then if you jump on and actually create the end panel and actually click on the end panel, just trying to bring that up there. There we go. There's the end panel, and then we can actually click in the second row of items to finish your island. So what today's session is mainly about is we want to review. So we want to close that layout. We actually want to review the job now and check to make sure all the details are correct. So a really good way of doing that is in the PDF section. We actually have two PDF reports. The first one is the job details PDF. So it's actually provides a high level of detail around items, finishes, and criteria of the actual items. So a really great summary of your project broken down into rooms. And the second is the job top-down layout. So this provides a little bit of detail, but also provides drawings, which can be printable and downloadable and shareable. So here's our first report. As you can see, extensive amount of information around detail, height, width, depth, hardware, exterior, internals, externals, doors, shelves, clearances. A really good way to check off with your builder and your installer and any of the stakeholders involved with the project. So that's a fantastic report. Second one is less detail, more of a summary, but with drawings, design layout. So here we can see our design in a printable format, some summary. This allows you to check off all your details, your projects, before hitting the submit button. So we're happy with that project. We're going to now submit that job. It's asking us, have you checked your PDFs? Are you sure you've confirmed? Yes, we have. Once submitted, you'll be unable to update any of the changes. Please confirm yes. And we're confirming for a second time. Job is submitted. Now you'll see Nick's kitchen design appear in the pending approval section. Once the team have reviewed your job, they may come back to you with some queries and some confirmations. Once that's all confirmed, the job will then go through to the production stage and appear here with timeframes of schedules and things like that. So you keep a track of your homepage, and that helps you with your review. So guys, sign off for that, and thank you very much. Good luck with your project, and look forward to seeing you further on the other side. Bye for now.